What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back from another video on this beautiful day. And it's that time. It's that time. Watermelon Wars. Watermelon Wars is on and popping, baby. Before we get into anything else, first off, what is Watermelon Wars? It's a friendly competition with a bunch of trash talking. Whoever can have the heaviest, biggest watermelon. Started off with me and David Corey with the crop, arguing over who can grow the biggest watermelon. Do we grow the biggest watermelons in Georgia, or do we grow the biggest watermelons in Texas? So it started from there and it took off. All right, rules, when it begin, all that. First off, Watermelon Wars officially begins now. All you gotta do is make a video and say, I'm in. Watermelon Wars. Hashtag it Watermelon Wars. All one word, so I can find out who got the biggest watermelons. And the competition ends October the 1st. The way it works is, you have one video. Do not do any edits, no cuts. I wanna see you cut the vine and put it on the scale and weigh it. That's it. Whoever has the biggest watermelon, they win. A big whoop. The last year winner, 2023, King of Watermelon Wars is Mr. David Corey with the crop. So I guess he was right last year, but it ain't gonna last, y'all. It's not gonna last. All right, y'all. The greatest and the biggest watermelons will come from this patch, y'all. This little old patch. It don't look like much to it, but I've designed this bed with the proper nutrients, fertilizer, and the greatest things on earth to have the biggest watermelons, y'all. It is not a game this year. I already got my plants in. This is Royal Golden watermelon. It's gonna get big, y'all. It's gonna get huge. I got them in, but they coming up. Don't worry about it. They coming up. Now down the street, I have the Georgia rattlesnake watermelon. Look how big she is already. Look how big she is already. Yeah. And down the way, I got the Garden Leader watermelon. Got two of them going there. I got some more watermelons right there, y'all. It's on and popping, y'all. I don't know how else to say it. It's on and popping, literally. Now, I heard a singer say one time, it takes a fool to lose twice and start all over again. So I'm not losing this time. For anybody who's interested in joining Watermelon Wars, please understand you're playing for second place. I'm gonna repeat that one more time. If you join Watermelon Wars, you're playing for second place. I'm not playing no more. I will win. I can't lose. I don't know how I could lose, y'all. To everybody who's interested, Supreme Family Guard, Gina versus Gina. Last year champion David Corey with the crop. Anybody else who's interested, you're gonna lose. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna allow the king, the champion from 2023, say his piece, and we're gonna let it go, y'all. Watermelon Wars.
You know that I was the watermelon king? Did you know? Y'all ain't heard?
All right, how to start your new watermelon patch. Get your action hoe. Get all the grass out the way. This is probably 2x2. This is some decent soil, I must admit. But just to start a quick bed, if you ain't put the work in yet, get your little in-ground soil. Caught it on sale, of course. bag of 1 cubic feet soil. Spread it out. Chunk up the big pieces. Take your amendments, alfalfa pellets, a little biochar, and some granular fertilizer. Mix it up in there. And plant your seeds. Now, I got these seeds straight from Switzerland. I had them flown in. Yeah, can't wait to get them in now. Can't show you what they are though. All right, make sure it's in a space that it got plenty of room to grow. I got my fruit trees here, and this is nothing but mulch around it so it can grow this way. Same thing over there with that fruit tree, grow that way. And then I got weed barrier over there, it can grow that way. It's just that simple, y'all. Start a watermelon patch, get in Watermelon Wars, do something spectacular. Oh, my friend, y'all picked the wrong year. Stem is brown. It's time. It's time. Cut the stem on camera. On camera. Now, I don't know if I can pick this up by myself, y'all. Hold on. I got to get pretty low for this. This. Ooh. This is a winter chicken dinner. Dad been waiting on you the whole year. Yes, he has. Now I got you, baby. I got you, baby. Ain't no stopping me. Remember that yellow leaf on there? No edits, no cuts. Brokefarmer got the biggest watermelon. Is it a world record? All right. So we're gonna tear the scale out. That's all zeros, y'all. Let's see what we got. Oh, she a big one. All right, she is on the scale. We saw 0, no cuts, no edits. We got a 21 pounder, y'all.